Hi everyone. For this video, I'm going to be doing an overview on floor breathing hip twists. It makes sense why it's called that. So, for this one, you're going to be down on the ground, laying down. I'm going to orient myself this way first on the mat, and then point my feet towards the camera so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to talk through it first. So, you're going to start here in this position. Spine's on the ground, arms are relaxed by your side, preferably with your palms up and your shoulder blades gently tucked together, just so you get a little bit of stretching in that upper chest, but you do not have to do that. From here, tighten the abs, and then you're going to drive your heel forwards, keeping it on the ground so you can maintain that tension all the way down. So in here, you should feel your glutes are squeezed, your abs are squeezed. You might be getting a little bit of a stretch at the top of the hips. What you're going to do here, inhale, open your feet apart, squeezing the glutes down, and then exhale, you're going to draw upwards, kind of thinking about you're tucking your glutes up and bringing your feet together. Inhale, open. Big belly breath up into the rib cage. And then exhale, you're bringing your feet up, squeezing the glutes, ribs down, abs in. So, I will face this way so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully, I will see afterwards whether or not this actually made it on the camera. So, right, starting that tuck position, driving the heels forward, getting that tension. Inhale. Nice big open. You're letting the feet fall, getting that outside edge of the glutes squeezed. And then exhale. Tightening them up, getting your feet back to parallel. If you feel like you want to try this, you can try bringing your feet a little bit more inwards so that your big toes touch, getting that rotation internally with your femurs, and then opening. But just getting back to that parallel neutral position is also sufficient. Hopefully that made it on the video. We'll find out afterwards. What you really want to focus on is allowing your hips to open up. So when you're here, they're spreading open. You feel the legs twist open wide when you're doing that inhale. So you're trying to not unwind, but release that tension in the front of your hips. It's super crucial to work on your breathing form while you're doing this. So try to be very cognizant of how you're breathing, working on getting those big inhales and big exhales, because you're trying to tie in your diaphragm, your pelvic floor, and the glutes to work on that full body core stability. So have fun with that. Try and make sure you stay relaxed. Enjoy.